Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01451 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#code, which I have already created. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay, now I am going to create one table called person7. Create table person7 contains one column called serial number, S number, primary key, name. So name column with varchar to data type, size 10, enter. Okay. Now alter table person7, serial number null. Okay. Invalid alter table option. So alter table person7 modify S number null. So what is the cause of this issue? Okay, ORA-01451 column to be modified to null cannot be modified to null. Okay, which means that this already a primary key column, you cannot modify to a null column. So that is the cause of this ORA-01451 issue.